Assalamualaikum, this is Gulru Hassan, and today I'm going to give you guys an inside tour of first ever designed corporate office in Bahriatown, Phase 8 Business District, designed and constructed by Bluearc within a short period of 8 months. And it will be no surprise that you guys will be startled after coming across the distinctive features in this magnificent building. As you may see by yourself, the outer side of the building itself depicts modern strategic architecture with a beautiful touch of glasswork. So now, I'm anxiously waiting to give you guys an inside tour, so follow me. And now we're stepping into the main entrance, and wow, isn't it beautiful? And it's quite the sight of the heaven, the glistering luminous lights embedded into the metal wall and perfectly aligned with the perpendicular 14 feet high chandelier, which is quite unique and rare. But apart from that, let me share with you another distinctive feature of this beautiful entrance. It's not only vast in its nature, but it's also double-heighted, which is again very rare in the corporate offices, but has been remarkably and admirably designed and constructed by Bluearc. And let me give you guys a quick glance of the offices on the ground floor. And now we're entering into the marketing complex, which as you may see is quite capacious as well as roomy at the same time. And we got 3 segregated managers' office over here, along with the separate portion for the cubicles for marketing team to work on. And you may also see tilted 45-degree angle wall, which is again quite unique and distinctive in nature. And here we are, stepping into the fluorescent and luminous corridor with departments on both sides. And let me show you guys the accounts office, which has its own charm. And wow, look at these spiral stairs, which is actually connected to the accounts head office for efficient communication and better workflow. You might have observed one thing, that all the departments have been segregated in order to maintain the privacy of each department. Now let me show you the construction complex, which is again quite roomy, quite capacious, and again quite luminous. And you may see that there are 2 segregated offices for the managers as well, which is again the best part. And guys, you need to have a look at this aesthetically accommodating presentation room, which can actually accommodate 20 to 25 individuals at a time. Any sort of business, finance, or marketing presentation. And this is actually the room for HR and admin department. Oh gosh, isn't it huge? And it is indeed perfectly splendid. And this is the place where all the employees can come in their spare time in order to relax and enjoy this vividness, vastness, and double-heightedness. And what actually has grasped my attention and is so catchy is this fine yellow wood staircase which connects the ground floor to the first floor. Along with the presentation room, we do have a conference room on the first floor for day-to-day small meetings. And now I will specifically bring your attention towards these 2 segregated directors' office with beautiful yellow pine wood wall amongst the dark patterns, which is totally fabulous, isn't it? And guys, as you may flash back, I showed you the accounts office room on the ground floor, which is actually connected with spiral stairs to the accounts head office. So this is where the accounts head will be seated, and I am sure that you guys are pretty much impressed with the creativity. And now we are in my most favorite part of the building, the Kingdom of CEO. This room is unique not only because of its vastness, but also because of its breathtaking view. CEO of this company is going to be the happiest person on this planet, don't you agree? Plus, we have also facilitated our CEO with every single thing. Let me give you guys a very different surprise. And here we are in the small gym area for the CEO, and as you may know that health is wealth and one needs a sound mind and physical fitness in order to run the work efficiently. So isn't it fantastic? From the small gym area, we have also facilitated the CEO with office comp bedroom, where he can come in his spare time for a short nap or for having some sort of relaxation while enjoying the breathtaking view outside. And yet again, you may see the tilted wall in the CEO office, which is again few and far between in other corporate offices. Wow, I thought I was at the end part of the building, and yet again it has connected me to this main entrance, which is the start of the building. So thank you very much guys for being on this tour with me, and I wanted to give you guys a deep analysis of each and every bit of this building. Because of the time constraints, I couldn't. But I highly appreciate you guys and will encourage you to come here, visit this masterpiece and look at the amazing work of Bluearc. And yet again, I'll be coming with another project, mind-blowing project for you guys in the future. Till then, have a good day, stay blessed.